Okay, so we're practicing finding the second solution for the ambiguous case. Okay, so here we go. Practice problem. We need to solve this triangle. Okay, and we notice that we have the ambiguous case. We have side, side, and angle. This angle matches one of my sides. A is smaller than B. We find the height by doing B times the sine of angle A, and we get that the height is approximately 10.815. So I definitely have two solutions because A is in between B and H. Okay, so we start by writing down what we know. 18 degrees, 17, and 35. Okay, so we're going to start by finding angle B. It's the only thing we can find. We have this is our ratio we're going to use, and this is the only other piece of information. So we have to start by finding angle B. So sine of 18 over 17 equals the sine of B over 35. Therefore, B equals inverse sine -1, and that would be 35 times the sine of 18 over 17. Plug it in, and you find that angle B is approximately 39.5098 blah blah blah. So this is 39.5 degrees. Okay, then we have angle C. Since we have two, we subtract both of those from 180, we get 122.5 degrees for C. Okay, then we have to find side C. So again, we set up our law of sines. So we start off with the exact same one, but this time we're solving for side C, and then we cross multiply. So we find that C is approximately 46.397025 blah blah blah, and we round it to the 10th, and we get 46.4. Okay, and our angles make sense. Biggest angle, biggest side, side C, smallest A, smallest side, works out perfect. All right, now second solution. A, B, and C, side A, side B, side C. So these are the three things we're going to find. We already know these. We start off with the same pieces of information. Okay, now whatever angle we solve for first, that's the one we're going to take and subtract from 180. So 180 minus 39.5, which gives me angle B now, which is 140.5 degrees. Okay, and then again, finding angle C, we do the same thing. We're subtracting A and B from 180, and we get angle C, which is 21.5 degrees. And then we're doing exactly the same thing we did over here to find side C. So we set up our sine of 18 over 17 equals the sine of 21.5 over C. Cross multiply and find that C is approximately 20.1623 blah blah blah. So for this one, it is 20.1. Okay, and again, double check. And again, this time B is my biggest angle, has my biggest side. A is still my smallest angle with my smallest side. But notice C is really close to angle A, which it should be. Okay, because the angles are close, so the side length should be close. All right.